Alright, what's up guys? So in today's video I figured I would do a Boxycharm unboxing for you. So I got this in the mail yesterday or 2 days ago. So we're almost in the middle of September, but not too late. I usually get it in the middle or towards the end. I haven't been getting it in the beginning of the month for a while, but I figured I would show you guys what I got in my box and try on the products that I received as well and give you like a little mini review. So if you want to see what I got in this month's box, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so now that I have a base down, we're gonna test out some of the products we got, or I got. So I did peek inside just so that I knew what I could put on my face. So I kind of cheated, yeah I know, but I didn't swatch them or anything, but so we're gonna actually see like how the products are in here. So let's open it up. Okay, so when you open it up you get the card. It's really cute. So this is the card that has all the products on it, and I'll tell you guys like prices of everything as I'm like taking them out. So that's cute. So it's just all the products. I'm excited for this box, honestly. I think it's like one of the best boxes that they've had in a while. So let's just go in with the first thing that I see. Let's see. So it is the blush. So this is the Laura Geller New York Baked Blush and Brighten. So this is cute. Not really like a color that I would opt for right away, but we're gonna try it out. So this is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. Add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. Wow! This smooth and long-wearing formula is paraben-free, infused with skin-loving antioxidants. It retails for $28. Okay, that sounds like really fancy. I'm like excited. So I'm just gonna get a brush. I'm gonna go in with I guess I'll go in with a kind of clean brush. So I'm just gonna go in with a Luxie tapered highlighter brush. I know I'm going with the actual blush with it, but I'm just gonna dip into it lightly. There is a lot of kick up with it, but so like you dip into it and it kind of does kick up a bit, but let's just see how she wears. Honestly, it adds like a really pretty flush of color. I'm kind of loving it. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but in person it is stunning. Oh my gosh, and it has a little mirror. So let's see what else we got in here. So the next product in the box, let's see, let's just grab these brushes, because there's brushes and then there's a palette, so we might as well go in order, you know? Let's see, we have some cute little green brushes here. Let's open these up. They're so cute. I love their color. They're really cute. And they're a la mode. How cute. We got this brand in the box before. So these are the a la mode Cosmetics Ojitos brush set. Made with 100% synthetic fibers, these brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color. Okay, we'll try her out. And then it says the fluffy blender brush can be used to blend colors together, and the flat tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application onto your lash line. So this set of 3 brushes retails for $18. So how cute. So we'll use these right now for the eye look. We'll mainly use these. Right, so the next thing in the box is an eyeliner. So this is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. So This one retails for $19. It says create precise, ultra fine winged liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. The ergonomic handle gives you insane control while creating your liner looks. The roll-on applicator does all of the work for you while delivering a pitch black pigment that meets even your boldest standards. Created with a longevity complex, this quick drying smudge proof formula is guaranteed to last. This is $19. So this one kind of scares me because it's a roller ball. You know, like a pizza cutter? That's literally what this is. Okay, let's see. Okay, well, you're still able to like make lines, but like, should you do like a wing? Girl, I don't know. I'm kind of scared. And on camera, you already know. Okay, well, I'm just gonna set it to the side because we're gonna do an eye look. Alright, so the next thing in the box is this big palette here. So let's take this out, and it's upside down. I'm showing you guys upside down. That's great. So this is the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar palette. How pretty is this one? It has a cute bird cage shape. That's really cute. Alright, so let's see what this one says. So this one says, made up of 12 highly pigmented shades, the Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte, shimmer, and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxuriously smooth formula makes for easy blending and long wear. And this one retails for $35. We're going to go on with this shade here. This is the shade Hide and Seek. I'm going to go on with that same Alamar Cosmetics brush. So this brush did come a little bit flat. That's because how it's when it's packaged and being shipped. So, but that usually goes away. That usually happens with the brushes you're going to get in Boxycharm because they have to fit everything into the little box, you know. But if you wash it and just let it sit to dry, it goes back to like the shape it's supposed to be. But I'm just going to go like this a little bit. So that eyeliner dried. It looks really pigmented. I'm so scared to use it though, to be completely honest. I'm trying to like fluff it out, but I don't think that's like doing anything. Okay. But so I'm gonna go in with Hide and Seek. It's like a gray shade. I want it to go more warm, but honestly this palette is more cool toned. So I don't know, I'm just gonna run with it, you know? We're just gonna go where the wind takes us today. So I know my eyebrows are crooked, but I'm telling you guys, that's how my face is. And then I'm gonna take, I don't know if I want to do the blue or this shade. This is more what I would do like every day, you know? So I don't know. But I really want to see Clutch, the shade Clutch right here. It's so pretty right there. I think I'm gonna try that one. So I'm going with Clutch. It's the gorgeous bronzy shade. Oh no. So as I'm dipping into it, the overspray is like moving. So I don't know if it's gonna be as pigmented as I want it to be. But we're still gonna go in. So I'm going to take Silver Spoon. This is the blue shade here. I'm taking it on the same brush. I honestly don't know how this is going to go, but I'm going to go with it. I'm going to put this on the outer portion of my eye here. Just going with it, right? I mean, I could turn it into a halo eye, but I don't know if that's like what I want, you know? So I'll take it like that on both sides, and then we're just gonna blend it out. Tell me who's... Okay. So we're just gonna blend this. We're honestly just winging it, so. Remember guys that I'm not a makeup artist. This is for fun. So. Sides aren't even. I mean, in person they look even. On camera they don't. So I'm confused. I don't know. But like, it's not even picking up the brightness on camera, so I don't know. I guess we'll just like, we'll blend it a little bit more, but I don't want to play with it too much because I think it looks good. It's not broken. Don't try to fix it. Just don't. Alright, so I put tape because I can't do eyeliner without it. I don't think it's even. It's as even as it's gonna get. But we're gonna try the roll liner from Buttered London. I'm honestly so scared, you guys. I don't know how this is gonna go. But yeah, I use tape. I don't have patience to like be cleaning up my winged eyeliner and whatnot. Actually, it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I can't really do like a thick liner with this, but, and my wings are uneven, but you know, but if you're like always just turning your head or, you know, batting your eyelashes, no one can even tell. Like, don't worry, your wings don't need to be the same. I mean, it's not bad. It is matte. Okay guys, so now I threw on some mascara and we're just gonna try the last thing in the box, which is the liquid lipstick here. So this is the Hank & Henry liquid lipstick. It says, have your cake and wear it too. This frosting scented long wear liquid lipstick glides on smoothly, while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. It's highly pigmented and dries to a stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries your lips and never transfers. So this retails for $17. Wow, right. So it's in the shade Petal Pusher. So she looks like that. I tried looking for a lip liner to line my lips with, and I don't have any like this. So, oh, it really does smell sweet. I like it. Oh my gosh, oh my god, on my nose. Okay, well this look is a disaster, but okay. Alright guys, well this was a struggle. The doe foot applicator was not my favorite. It's really quite big to keep it short, and it was really hard to just like, if I didn't, I usually do wear liner, but like if I don't want to wear liner, it shouldn't be that hard. I had to dip in like 4 times to get the doe foot applicator to get product on it, because like the bottom is full of color. The whole applicator looks like it has color, but towards the middle and the bottom it had no product on it when I tried putting it on. So I don't know, I was a little bit confused, but it feels, it's a little sticky. Color's not my favorite. It's not my first pick. It doesn't go with this look either, but what can I do? Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I just threw on a jacket to make myself feel more put together. I threw my glasses on, but this is the look. I honestly don't hate it now that I have like more clothes on. And I do like the blue on the blue. But overall it is kind of a mess. But I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Like when you're close up, it looks kind of like a mess, but like from far away, you know, it doesn't look too shabby. But I really did love the box this month, guys. I love Boxycharm. I've been getting them for a long time, and sometimes the boxes are hit or miss. In the beginning when I first got them, they weren't. They were all good, and I feel like recently they've been kind of hit or miss with the products. This month I was really happy to see that there were a lot of good products. So yeah, this is the finished look, and if you guys have any other suggestions, leave them in the comments. I'll check them out, and I'll probably film some for you guys. So if you guys want to see anything from me, just leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!